Hello angels, today I'm going to do the unboxing of this big guy, and this is Boxyluxe for the month of June 2021. So we're going to unbox this beauty and reveal all the products that I got around this time. And this is Boxyluxe, which retails for $49.99, and you would get around 8 full-size products, and this is like once in 3 months kind of box, not a base box. It's Boxyluxe, and this is the card that we received around this time. It says Boxyluxe Date to Dazzle, and it has all the products that I have received and their prices and description and all of that fun stuff. And the first beauty that I see right here is this one, and this is Moxyluxe something lash, Moxy Lash, and this one is a Sassy Luxe bundle and retails for $90. Wow, this itself is more than what I paid for. And this is how it looks, and it did come with this beauty, and this is Moxy Lash pre-moistened olive and castor oil cotton swabs, and this is to remove the magnetic eyeliner. And it also did come with this. This is how the lashes looks. So these are the lashes that it came with. Next up I have this beauty, and this is the NARS Orgasm, and this is the blush. So this is how it looks. Let me open this. So here is how it looks, and running out of the blush that I currently love, so I would want to give this one a shot. And this one retails for $30, and this is best selling blush. Delivers a white, weightless, natural looking rush of cheek color in matte satin and shimmering finishes. Okay, off to our third product, and this is the big guy that I see, and let's see what this is. This is Smith French Double in French Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash, and this is in the scent Wild Pine, Woodland Mint and Rosemary. And this is the hand wash that we got. A good thing they did include like something, not just the routine makeup and the skincare. Good to have this, and this one retails for $25. Next, and this is Elmer's Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter and the Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser with pumpkin and cherry mango butter. Cleanses, brightens, nourishes, and this one retails for let me see, and this one retails for $38. Melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh and glowing with this buttery brightening cleanser. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes and cherry, rich in AHS, helps to brighten skin with mango butter and chia seed oil, nourish and hydrate the skin. Where is my product? My product is here. This all is like empty, like half filled and half empty, and wow, it's like leaky, and the product is all over the cap. I don't know if you want to touch it, because even in the on the rims there is this product. Wow, this came pretty beat up. So this is how it looks. This reminds me of mango for some reason, the color and the pulp. All right, let's see what we have next. Okay, so this is the one that popped up in my previous Boxyluxe choice, but I ignored this, but they put this in this box anyway, and this is Be Flat Firming Belly Cream. I don't know, I'm just I'm not sure if I want to put this on my belly. What if something bad happens? That's me like just trying to avoid this product, but they gave this in my box anyway. So it's firming belly cream. I don't know how safe this is to put on the belly, and I don't know, I'm just too scared to apply this one. Smooth away the look of stretch marks. Clinically proven belly cream. Be flat helps to create the appearance of smoother, tighter and firmer looking belly. The warming sensation means it's working its magic. Okay, and next up we have Pure Heals by Nature Village, and this one is from Pure Heals Real Rose Petal Sleeping Mask, and retails for $55. Contains real rose petals and rose water to moisturize and revitalize your dry and stressed skin while sleeping. Awesome. Next we have this Pride Month Say I Love You Dr. Brand Triple Antioxidant I don't know what I'm saying. Antioxidant face cream visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. And Dr. Brand is a really expensive brand, and this one retails for $64. It's formulated with A3 power. I don't know what A3 power is, but that's what they say. And dynamic shield moisture boosted with antioxidants and stress ingredients that help preserve your youthful appearance. It is for $64. Really happy to receive that. And this is our last product, in fact, and this is the one that I actually chose. Anything benefit eyebrows, I would take it. And this one is $34, and this is a Brow Styler eyebrow pencil and powder duo, and this is 2-in-1 wax pencil, and this one retails for $34. I'm glad that I received this. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. How this looks if I draw it in here. Okay, it's kind of fine. This is how it looks. Okay, and let's see what the other side have, this way or this way. Okay, I think this way. All right, and this is what is powder. That's what they said, right? I'm going to just, okay, so this is how it looks. Nice. I love this one. Oh wow, see that? Let's try a little bit of powder stuff that they have. Oh, okay. So here is how it looks. So this is before and this is after. So it looks like more fuller, kind of. So if you can see. So yeah, I'm so happy that I received this one. That's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.